people get to where they don't trust betting on sports, then the limits are going to go down, and it's going to reduce my ability to be able to bet on sports. The other one, with the referee, the NFL referee, gamblers knew about that 8 months before he got busted by law enforcement. People quit betting on the games.
Really?
Okay, well, sure. I mean, it wasn't
They
like
just suspected that the
no.
calls
Well,
were bad.
no. Anytime again, Joe, because the market's so small. Okay, think about the New York Stock Exchange, or think about Apple stock. You could buy $500 million worth of Apple stock, and the price on Apple stock would barely move. Okay, on a NFL, on an NBA basketball game, if you were to bet $250,000 on an NFL basketball game, it would probably move a point and a half, 2 points. So, and again, the people taking the bet, people such as myself and others, if a line moves on a game and it moves like that, and okay, I want to know who bet on that game. If it's another handicapper, or there's an injury out, or there's something there that makes sense as to why that game moved, then okay, I understand it. But if there's some mysterious person that's betting a lot of money on a game that hasn't been doing this for a period of time, and then I'm looking at an outcome of a game that doesn't make sense, if I tape it and I see something that's out of the ordinary about the way the game's being officiated or some player's performance, this stuff is easy, Joe, to see. And you're not dealing here with master criminals. You're dealing with people that frankly aren't very smart, and they're not very smart to be doing what they're doing, and the way they go about it, they're even, I don't know if you remember the thing years ago with Hot Rod Williams. I mean, there's the ones.
What was that thing?
Well, it was an NBA thing also, but all of the ones, if you go back and you look at the last 5 sports deals, whatever they were, small or big, every one of them were uncovered like that, and so I did an interview one time on 60 Minutes in 2011, and I was asked at the end of the interview which I had the most confidence in, betting on sports or investing in stocks. And my answer was I have a lot more confidence in betting on sports for the reason I pointed out. It's a much smaller market, but as far as things being on the up and up, I have a lot more confidence in that, and way more confidence in that than I do the other.